Hello, travelers. So today I wanted to do a quick update for November, just let you know what's going on. And yes, if you can hear it in my voice, I have been sick with COVID for the past over a week now, but I'm feeling a lot better. Unfortunately, yes, I did go on a trip to Melbourne on Halloween, and a whole lot of things happened, but basically, uh, in order to test like a neck pillow from Turtle that I'm going to review, going to be publishing that review soon. I booked a trip on the train from Sydney to Melbourne, which is like an 11-hour train trip, which is slower than driving, but it was a way for me to test the neck pillow in like a long distance kind of travel. Because if you fly, it's only an hour and a half. So basically, on that train, I think is where I picked up COVID, and it has thrown my whole schedule off for November. But I did just want to let you know some of the things that have happened and are going to happen. I'll try to make this a short video. Basically, on the 8th of November, it was the 10-year anniversary for Packing Less. So happy birthday, Packing Less, I guess. And I was hoping to post this update on that day, but now it has passed and I wasn't feeling very good on that day. Yes, 10 years, and that is partly why I did the whole logo redesign, because this is the 10th year of Packing Less. And I just want to say thank you so much for being a subscriber and sticking with me. I do have a lot more reviews and sort of packing lists and videos coming very shortly. I also have some reviews of some products which I can't actually mention at the moment coming as well. And of course I have the review of this, which is the 23-litre Quechua backpack from Decathlon, which I purchased with my own money. I did end up taking this one to Melbourne, and I'm going to be showing you what I packed in that. I still have it basically packed with everything. But of course, because of how I was feeling, I wasn't able to do like a packing list video. But that is coming, as well as a review of this one here, which is the very popular recently Able Carry Daily Plus, which has also been a very nice and, I have to say, very comfortable backpack to wear and use. That's pretty much it for the update. There are a couple of other little products and reviews that will be coming, so be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with those. Thank you very much for sticking with me for 10 years, if you have been here for that long, and I will see you in the next one.